To make Sam's Club chicken salad, you will need a few key ingredients, including 1 pound of cooked chicken breast, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of chopped celery, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Start by dicing the cooked chicken breast into small pieces and placing it in a large bowl. Next, add the chopped celery and onion to the bowl with the chicken. In a separate bowl, whisk together the mayonnaise and Dijon mustard until well combined. Pour the mayonnaise mixture over the chicken mixture and stir until everything is fully incorporated. Now it is time to season the salad with salt and pepper to taste. Be careful not to overseason, as the salad should have a delicate flavor. Once the salad is seasoned, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. After the salad has chilled, give it a good stir and serve on a bed of lettuce or on a sandwich. You can also customize the salad to your taste by adding other ingredients such as diced apple or chopped hard-boiled egg. The key to making great Sam's Club chicken salad is to use high-quality ingredients and to not overmix the salad, as this can make it tough and unappetizing. By following these steps and using the right ingredients, you can make delicious Sam's Club chicken salad at home that tastes just like the real thing. Remember to always use fresh and healthy ingredients and to follow proper food safety guidelines when handling and storing the salad.